Not only does Joe Biden want to eliminate your jobs, he wants to eliminate your borders. He's promised to flood your state with refugees, and you know that as well as I do, and you see it all the time, from terrorist hotspots around the world, including Syria, Somalia, and Yemen. Biden's pledged to have a 700% increase. He made this deal with Crazy Bernie, a 700% increase in the flow of refugees. So he wants to lift it up by 700%. This is in their manifesto. He's also pledged to terminate all national security travel bans, overwhelming your state with poorly vetted migrants from jihadist regions. Making matters worse, he would open the floodgates in the middle of a pandemic. And by the way, the wall, it's over 311 miles long right now, doing very well.